Who doesn't love robots? Many engineers and robot designers are currently focused on creating the most realistic looking robots imaginable. One big hurdle to this is creating lifelike skin for these androids. The idea of hyper-realistic robots is exciting, not only because of how cool they may look, but also because of what they represent for technology and its improvement. Japan has been a frontrunner in the robot game for years, developing highly advanced robots with AI functions and hyper-realistic skins. Join us as we explore hyper-realistic skin suits from Japan that will make robots look human. Now they are breaking even more ground with the development of hyper-realistic human-like skin to their robots. Scientists at the University of Tokyo have developed a hyper-realistic synthetic skin that can be attached to the robot seamlessly without compromising the machine's functionality or mobility. The University of Tokyo has manufactured artificial skin using real human cells that can heal itself and mirror other human functions. The groundbreaking development came out of a team in the university led by Professor Shoji Takeuchi. Takeuchi explained that they were able to develop a type of artificial skin that can bind to complex structures like robots by mimicking the ligaments found in real human skin. In its melted form, the current prototype has a stretchy and chewy consistency and might not look like much at first glance. However, tests have shown that their artificial skin and the technique they developed for attaching it have yielded some of the most realistic expressions in robotics. Their robots can smile, frown, and make other facial expressions with skin that moves like the real thing. This struggle has plagued the robotics industry for a long time, as finding ways to attach synthetic skin to robot bodies has been difficult. However, Takeuchi and his team drew inspiration right from the source: real human skin. Previous attempts at attaching synthetic skin to robots saw scientists using methods like tiny hooks to anchor the skin to the robot, but these methods limited the robot's mobility. Ligaments are made of collagen and elastane and help tether the skin to the body. The researchers drew from this principle by creating V-shaped perforations on the robots and filling them with a collagen-based gel, which worked as the ligaments, before placing a layer of skin on top. The gel holds the skin to the structure and plugs the perforations, allowing for seamless movement without tearing and peeling or hindering the robots. One crazy thing about the artificial skin developed by this team is that it can even heal cuts. This is due to the elastic nature and the collagen base. However, the researchers have said that there is still a long way to go before their design is advanced enough for everyday use. A common question they receive is whether the skin can itch or sweat since it is based on living cells. The answer for now is no, as sweating and itching are deeply biological functions that don't only happen on the skin, but require a collaboration of different bodily systems and processes. Another Japanese engineer who has pioneered realistic robotics for years is Hiroshi Ishiguro. Ishiguro is the director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory and gained worldwide acclaim when he unveiled his look-alike robot, the Geminoid. Due to its uncanny realistic looks, people often call the Geminoid his doppelganger. He has fully mastered the art of creating human-like robots down to facial expressions and mannerisms. For the skin on his robots, Ishiguro created a unique synthetic skin using silicone rubber, and the robot's mechanics are highly advanced, with Ishiguro using pneumatic actuators for the robot's motion, which is controlled remotely. He finished off his work by using his own hair to create a wig for the Geminoid. Ishiguro designed the Geminoid to stay seated, so he can't set it out to impersonate him in public, but that doesn't mean he can't use it to stir up some mischief. Ishiguro is a professor at the Graduate School of Engineering in Osaka, and he often uses Geminoid to trick and scare his students. The robot is a marvel of modern robotics and looks just like Professor Ishiguro, down to the wrinkles on his face to the color of his eyes. Professor Ishiguro has high hopes for the future of human-like androids. He hopes his robots can be upgraded to help people from all walks of life, such as performing household chores, working in hospitals and with the elderly, teaching in schools, and even working service jobs. On the more monster side, developers in Japan have developed a synthetic dinosaur skin for realistic dinosaur enactments. Designed by Enact Corp, these dinosaur animatronics are incredibly lifelike in their visuals and movements, and are used to perform exciting shows. The dinosaur bodies are made of carbon fiber based on measurements from real dinosaur skeletons and fossils. Their robots are as tall as nearly 10 meters and are remotely controlled for performance. The bodies, a seamless blend of a robotic frame and padding to take on a dinosaur shape, can walk around, open their mouths, and swing their limbs. They are completely harmless despite their terrifyingly real look. Outside the world of robotics, there are a few companies that have been working diligently to create human-like masks and even skin suits that are nearly indistinguishable from the real thing. While the technology applied for these masks wasn't made with robots in mind, there's no reason it can't be modified and applied in the world of robotics. So let's take a look at them. The first company is Metamorphose Masks, based in England. This company makes premium quality silicone face masks. One glance at their work is enough to send anyone into the uncanny valley, as the stretchy skin-like material is slipped onto someone's head, and they look completely transformed. The uses of their masks are endless, from the world of entertainment and media, such as films and plays, to special effects for such projects and perhaps even subterfuge and spying. Their masks are virtually undetectable, and this is due to their very diligent creative process, which takes up to 10 weeks to construct one mask. Their work is highly digitalized, but doesn't skip out on hard manual work to get the tiny details that make up a human face. They start by creating a digital model of the face they want to create. This works as a template for the mask, which is then created into a mold for their silicone-based skin material. From the modeling stage, the face already features all the little things that make up a human, such as wrinkles, smile lines, and even pores. Their masks are then hand-painted to depict the variations in human skin tone accurately. The hair is also hand-dyed to achieve unique and realistic hair colors, and each strand of hair is manually attached to the mask. Their masks also include comfortable and flexible eye, mouth, and nose holes that seamlessly fit into the wearer's features. These are then flexible enough to move when the wearer speaks or blinks, which helps to perfect the illusion. One of their most popular products is the Elder Mask, which looks like an elderly man. The advanced lip cupping system perfectly depicts the mouth of a senior citizen, making it one of the most advanced human masks out there. Roanyer is an American company that makes not only silicone masks, but full-body suits that are extremely realistic. These suits can change the wearer's looks by changing their body type, shape, and gender. These suits give the impression of real human skin, including breasts, hip, buttocks, etc. Roanyer's silicone suits are some of the best suits in the world for people looking for a full body transformation. The uses of these suits are endless. From media and entertainment to personal use, they completely transform the wearer and, unlike the previous company, do not come with hair attached, so the wearer can style any type of wig to the suit. They are commonly used for performers or for costumes or parties that require a completely different look. The company offers everything from face masks to silicone bodysuits for different body parts, from the torso only to the hips and midriff to a full body suit. Roanyer has products for everything you can imagine. Their silicone skin is made from premium grade, skin-safe silicone with a realistic texture. It is designed with all the minute details of human skin, such as facial expressions and anatomic proportions. They are also extremely easy to put on and take off, and are quite breathable and extended wear if a user plans to wear them for a long time. Bring it back to Japan. The Japanese company Kamenya Omote makes hyper-realistic 3D printed human face masks. These masks are not made to be seen on cameras or worn for long performances, as they have two major features that make it obvious that they are masks: unmoving lips and blank eyes. Because these are 3D printed masks, they do not mold onto the face and allow for flexibility of movement with talking and blinking. However, the facial features painted onto these masks are scarily real, and with a hat or a wig and a quiet demeanor, someone could easily pass off the mask as a real face. The company was created by Shuei Okawara in 2020. He sent out an application to people to model for his masks, and it received over 100 responses. He first made a model of his face, which he later sold, and then he paid his first model to use her likeliness for his mask. Since then, these masks' popularity and price have only increased. The masks are made of plastic and are created by taking incredibly high-resolution images of human faces. These are then evenly printed onto the plastic surface of the mask, which has already been molded to mimic the contours and crevices of a human face. From getting around 100 applicants for face models at the start, Shuei Okawara has now reported that the company receives applications in the thousands. They plan on monetizing this model and charging people to make masks of their faces. One mask from Kamenya Omote cost about 98,000 yen or $950. And while the price is high, the quality of the company's work and the level of interest it has garnered justify it. Okawara is always quick to point out that his company was not the first to create realistic faces. However, their mass production model makes them primed to profit highly in the industry. Would you get a mask of your face created? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.